What's going on, everybody? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to talk about what is the best affiliate marketing strategy of 2018. Now if you think you know, comment down below. Let me know what is the best affiliate marketing strategy this year of 2018. Let me know. Comment down below. Now my guess is I'm gonna get answers like, blogging, writing blog content, articles for websites, getting people to hopefully click on the link, pay for some product where you end up making a small commission. Am I right? There could be something like YouTube videos, just like this one. Maybe down in the description box, I'm gonna link to some affiliate product. I'm gonna sell it and I'll make a small commission. Is that the best strategy? Maybe, maybe not. Is it something like social media, where I post stuff on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat and all these different social media sites, Reddit and Tumblr and StumbleUpon, whatever, and try to get people to click and hopefully buy the product or services I'm recommending? Or is it something like personal branding? I think personal branding is huge. If you ever watch somebody like Gary Vaynerchuk, he's big on personal branding. Branding, branding, branding. Or is it something like email marketing, which I absolutely love? So what is it? What is the best affiliate marketing strategy of 2018? Do you know? If you're not sure, make sure you stick around. Make sure you click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. So, are you ready for the answer? Because this answer, I guarantee you, is going to surprise you. So, what is the answer? So the answer is actually personal branding through online content. However, it's not as simple as this sounds. Let me explain. So for me personally, the way I do personal branding through online content is with YouTube, social media, and different websites. Now, why do I use this? The reason I use these is to build trust and establish a relationship with you, the viewer, the reader, my audience. Without you, I have no personal brand. Without you, I have no audience. Without you, I have no potential customers for anything that I recommend, that I create, that I sell or promote. So it's all on you. Now with that said, if you're still watching this video, first off, hit that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate you. Now, what I do have a gift for you. So I do have a special. Okay, this special is for my affiliate marketing monsters. It's the whole course, the full course, everything. So it will, this course, this coupon code, which you will see right here on the screen. See it? Yeah, that coupon code right there. It will give you over $350 off my course. So it takes the course from $499 down to $147. This will only be good, okay, for the next few days. On June 12th, 2018, this coupon at the end of the day will be gone. Okay, so if you want to get this course, get it now while you can save $350. So what is the whole reason behind this? Okay, you're probably thinking, how in the world is this the best affiliate marketing strategy of 2018? I'm not done. I'm only getting started. This is only halfway. Okay, what you need to understand is you're building that trust and relationship from these channels. That's it. They're just channels. That's all they are. Okay, from a website, yes, you can sell products. From social media, you can promote different affiliate links and you can make some money. Same thing on YouTube. But really all it is, it's a channel, it's an outlet. It's my online, method to get myself out there, get my content out there to build trust and a relationship. But why? I do this so that I can get repeat visitors. If you've ever seen any one of my other videos, maybe this is video number 2, video number 3, video number 4, if it is, hit that thumbs up button. Let's say you watch multiple videos. That means my strategy is working. You are a repeat visitor, a repeat content reader. But also, I use these channels, these outlets, to build my email list. This is key. This is, in my opinion, why this whole strategy right here is the best affiliate marketing strategy of 2018. So like I said, I am using this as my outlet. This is my channel to help me build my email list. In addition to that, I use paid traffic. I use other resources, other methods, but this is the core of my business. for affiliate marketing. If you really want to make money, do personal branding through online content. Create your content on YouTube, social media, and different websites. Build that email list, build the trust, create a relationship, and then what you will do is you will send out emails. But what do you send emails out for? What's the purpose? Right? You're probably wondering that. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. You're probably sending out emails to, number one, promote new content. You probably, put up a new video on YouTube. You have a new post over on Instagram, or maybe over on Facebook. You have a new article on your website. All these things, your audience should be notified. If they're notified, what's that doing? That's creating more trust, building a better, stronger relationship, which also means their eyes are on that article. Their eyes are watching that video. They have the potential to click that link and potentially buy the product, which would make you a small commission. You also send out emails to promote your affiliate offers. You don't need to send all your traffic to a YouTube video, to a Facebook post, to a new article you wrote on some random website. You can directly hit your email subscribers with a link to buy that particular affiliate offer. Maybe at a discount, maybe it's at full price, whatever it is, it's adding additional value for those people. And because of that, because they trust you, because you have an established and existing relationship, they're more likely to buy. The third reason why you send out an email, because you're building that email list, is because you want to add additional value. Yeah. You may have created a YouTube video and talked about how to create a chicken coop or how to build your credit. But if that is what everybody can see, what's the benefit of people being on that email list? If you send them additional value that's not covered in that video, that's not talked about on that Facebook page, that is not written in that article, they're going to be looking at that, okay, this guy really knows what he's talking about. This guy is really helping me out. Maybe the next time he recommends something, I will buy it. So as an affiliate, you need to create additional value. Make it a point or purpose in your life, in your business, to give somebody more value than the next guy. If you can do that consistently over and over again, you will be a very successful affiliate marketer. Reason number 4 to send out those emails, and the whole reason why you build this email list, is to expand your audience. You probably heard this before, the money is in the list, and that is 100% true. Because you can email your list and be like, hey, I just dropped a new video over on YouTube, make sure you go watch it. If you do watch it, make sure you share it with at least one other person over on Facebook or Twitter or whatever your social media outlet is of choice. By doing that, what's the likelihood, because you've already built trust and established that relationship, what's the likelihood of at least one person on your email list of 100 people sending that to a friend, recommending that, okay, hitting that thumbs up button? What's the likelihood of that happening? Probably pretty high, right? So, like I said, number 4, the reason why I send that email is to expand your audience. If you can do this, email after email after email, you will be a successful affiliate marketer. Now, earlier in this video, I talked about, what is the best affiliate marketing strategy 2018. Is it creating blog content, YouTube videos, social media, personal branding, maybe email marketing? All those things, every single one of those things, I talk about inside my Affiliate Marketing Monsters course. And the reason why I talk about every single one of those and made it a point to actually talk about it and document it is because each one of those things helps you build your affiliate marketing business. So if you want to be successful, I understand you can be very successful creating blogs, creating YouTube videos, doing email marketing, social media, personal branding on its own. You can be very successful doing that, but it's also cutting your success rate down drastically by only doing one of those things. Yes, I do recommend you only do one and do it very well versus doing everything and sucking at absolutely everything. But if you spend the time, okay, take the course first off. Take the course. If you want to get $350 off, use that coupon code that I gave you earlier on in this video. Use that coupon code and get the course. Get $350 off. Get it from $499 down to $147 only for the next 3 days until June 12th. So the last thing I want to say is I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2006, and what I can tell so far in those 12 years is that there is no one size fits all. There is no do this and guarantee success. There's nothing like that. Affiliate marketing is one of those things that you put in the work, put in the time, you will become successful. So, if you have any questions on affiliate marketing, what is the best affiliate marketing strategy right now, what I recommend for you, I just showed it to you, but if you have additional questions, all you gotta do is ask your questions down in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to help you out. But if you don't ask the questions, I can't answer them and I can't help you. So, ask the questions, hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.